Good morning. This is Nos Biggs. Legally, my name is Stephen Miller Gibson. I'm a naturopath, 25 years. I happen to be, I think, probably one of the best in the country. We have a web presence called trynaturopathy.com, and we're always encouraging you to focus on wellness and prevention of disease as opposed to the Western model, which is treat and try to cure. And if you'll notice, very rarely do doctors talk about curing anything anymore. It's diagnosis and treatment. So I just wanted to update you on a perspective that I'm going to be giving as a result of my mother's gift to me as she was preparing for her visit to heaven. On October the 20th, 8 years ago, my mother came to me and she said, I don't feel right. I think I need to go to an oncologist. I think I probably have cancer. Turned out to be absolutely correct. He gave her less than 4 months to live without the chemotherapy and radiation. She was delighted because she just knew that she was going to be saved by Dr. Francesco Contreras. You see, we had always believed that none of us, our family, would ever get cancer because we had done all the right things, and yet she really didn't because she had the mesh surgery, and that mesh surgery is the um, focus of lawsuits ad nauseum. But 8 years ago, that wasn't the case. To make a long story short, she made a decision to go see Francesco Contreras. That decision was vetoed by my father, who said that I'm not into having a wife going all the way to Mexico to be treated. She can be treated here. I know how that went. So my mother, deflated, decided that she would ask me if I could hasten her demise, and that's what we did. She had no pain, and in less than 4 months, she was with her Lord. So there are a lot of opportunities for me to reflect now in a way that still a little tough, particularly when I bring it back to deal with some of the things that I still haven't dealt with. So I have another video that I'm going to be placing, and that's the actual video from 8 years ago, and when my mother, and I don't think my mother, I haven't even played this thing for a lot of years, so I'm not even sure what it says. It's only about 3 minutes long. So take that, and we'll talk about it again. This is Nos Biggs, Try Naturopathy, and personally I think I'm probably one of the best naturopaths in the country.